Hello everyone, in this video we will review Zorin OS and Elementary OS. Zorin OS and Elementary OS are both beginner-friendly Linux distributions that focus on simplicity and design, but they have different styles and goals. Zorin OS is made to look and feel like Windows, which makes it perfect for people switching from Windows for the first time. It has a similar desktop layout and you can even choose how it looks, like Windows 10, 11 or older styles. It comes with essential software already installed, so it's ready to use right away. Zorin OS runs smoothly on both old and new computers and it's based on Ubuntu, so you get strong software support and stability. Everything is built to be easy from installation to daily use. Elementary OS, on the other hand, is designed to look more like Mac OS. It has a clean and elegant interface with a dock at the bottom and simple layout. It's focused on minimalism and a distraction-free experience. The system is also based on Ubuntu, which makes it stable and support a wide range of software. However, it doesn't come with as many apps out of the box, and it encourages users to install apps from its own app center, which is neat but a bit more limited. It's great for users who love beautiful design and want something clean and modern. Overall, Zorin OS is better for users who want something familiar, flexible, and easy to use, especially if they're coming from Windows. Elementary OS is better if you prefer simple Mac OS style design and a minimalistic experience. If you want a system that works right away and feels like home, Zorin OS is a strong pick. If you want something stylish and elegant with a focus on simplicity, Elementary OS might suit you better. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.